Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technological Human. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up the LAPCARE India Chillmate. Here you can see the specifications which we will talk about later. Let's get started. So this cooling pad features a double fan, which you can see in the photo here, and a mobile holder, a noiseless fan, we'll see about that, and heat dissipation. This also is a 1000 RPM maximum fan. It supports two USB ports for multiple devices usage. I think it's also powered by the USB. Let's get unboxing. Cut this LAPCARE logo sticker on the bottom of the product. Open this and pull this out. This is the product. It comes with a USB cable, the fan thing. Here it is. Yeah, and I suppose this is it. I mean it is. This is the stand. How do I even use this? Do I put it from the back or? Okay, yes. This is how you are supposed to use it. So this is the base product. Okay, so it comes with this USB cable, this fan stand, which I won't be even using. Now let's go set it up over my computer. Now this laptop has no display. I was just thinking about placing it like this. Which it just instantly slides off. I'm going to make it smaller and smaller. Well, now it's not enough. Yes, but the stand is there. The stand also comes to hold the laptop. Now let's connect the cable to the laptop. It comes with a USB male to male side. I guess this is about like 10-15 centimeter, 1 meter. Now this is the first time I'm seeing this product, so I need to find out where this is. I'm not sure. There are two USB ports here. Should I just plug it in one of them, or is it like a hub? Okay, I'll try plugging it in into another port. Okay, let me plug it into the USB port of your computer. See, now it's working. This product, it's blowing here. It's extremely quiet actually. Now I can easily type like this. This drive also supports a USB port that comes with the cable. It actually can recognize the drive, and when I remove the drive, it goes. This is one more. It provides an additional port since you already lost one. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.